Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing? Today we are trying out the new Dose of Colors times Nyma Tang lip sets. I am so excited for these. When I saw that they were announced, I was just so happy and excited for Nyma. I feel like she is an absolute sweetheart and I'm just so happy for her to have this opportunity, and I knew that I wanted to support it. Originally, I was only planning to buy the Nude Lip Set because these are $49 each. None of the lip products are available individually, unfortunately. When I went on the website on launch day, I realized that my Dose of Colors account had a discount code that I had saved up enough points for $15 off. Plus, if I got both, I got free shipping. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna buy both. They look really, really beautiful. So this is the Nude Lip Set, which is a beautiful nude on Nyma. For me, I have very fair skin, so I think it's gonna pull a super, super deep, dark, neutral brown, which I am all about. And then there is the Coral Lip Set, which I think is gonna pull more of a burnt orange on me. Both sets have a lip liner, a lip gloss, a lipstick, and a liquid lipstick. I figure we can go ahead and do swatches, and then I'm gonna try each product on individually. And I love the color of this packaging. Ooh, I bet that this shade is gonna be such a beautiful eyeliner as well. Yeah, I can definitely see myself using it for that. So here's the little swatch. It does look a little bit brighter than I expected. And then we have the liquid lipstick, which is named Zoe. I just love this packaging so, so much. All right, so there is what Zoe looks like. We'll have to look back in a minute once it dries down all the way. And we have this Stay Glossy lip gloss in the shade Sequins. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this one because I am not like a super glittery gloss kind of girl, but we'll see. I mean, that looks pretty. Definitely more of a sheer lip gloss, but it looks like there's some pretty intense glitter going on in there, so maybe I'll like it as a topper, but probably not something I'll use on its own a whole bunch. Then the lipstick is called Beau, which is actually the name of my dog that passed away a few years back. So I like the name. It means handsome in French. That's where I got it from, at least. Okay, so there's what it looks like. Definitely more of a matte, and it looks like a really pretty coral. For Nyma, she said that these two shades were the same but different formulas, but on my skin tone you can see a little bit more of the difference, that this is pulling a lot brighter. I should just go ahead and do the hand swatches of the Nude Lip Set real quick. So here's what those four products look like. Again, we have a lip liner. This one is called Chocolate Chip. So here's what that looks like. Okay, so for me, that's like a very, very deep brown. And then we have the liquid lipstick, which is called I Like to See It. Oh yeah, I feel like that looks so nice. Right there. Got the gloss in the shade Aegean. It's like a really pretty kind of milky brown creamy shade. That one does not have any glitter particles in it. And lastly, we have the lipstick in the shade Penny. Ooh, which I love the way that looks. I think that is such a pretty, like, almost like taupey looking undertone. Very, very excited about that. So here's what all the lip swatches look like up close. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the shade Sequins first. You know what? That's actually really pretty. That's so much better than I expected, because if you've been on my channel for a long time, you know I don't like super glittery metallic lips, and I feel like this has the glitter in it and it looks super juicy, but it does not look metallic at all. Okay, I'm actually kind of surprised. I really, really like that. And it smells like creamsicle. I forgot to mention these have scents. Coral set all smells like creamsicle, which is a shame they don't come individually, because I would buy another one of these glosses for my mom because she loves the smell of creamsicle. And then I believe that the Nude Lip Set is supposed to smell like chai, which I don't like chai tea. So I don't know that I'm gonna like that, but it's all good. All right, now I'm gonna go into the Amber-ish liner. Just gonna go ahead and line my lips, and I do have one Dose of Colors lip liner, so I already kind of know that I like the formula. All right, so definitely super pigmented, super creamy, easy to apply. And then I'm going over that with the Beau lipstick. I don't think I have anything quite like this. Just super, super bright. Oh yeah. Very, very comfortable matte formula, and I feel like that is just like a statement lip moment. Really, really like it. And you know what? I'm gonna say, for being more of an orange, I feel like it actually looks really flattering, because a lot of oranges, I feel like, pull out the yellow in your teeth, or my teeth at least. I drink a lot of tea, but I feel like this is probably one of the most flattering, like, orange corally lip shades I've tried. I like it. I feel like I'm smiling a lot because I really like it. I'm really glad that I picked up that set and then I decided to do it because, like I said, I wasn't originally going to get the coral one. So before I take this one off, I just want to go ahead and try sequins again over top as a topper because I'm just curious. That's super pretty as well. All right, now we're going into the Zoe liquid lipstick. Super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry down for just a minute so that we can see the actual color. So it's pretty much dried down now. Really, really like it. It's just a really beautiful burnt orange on me, and I like that the regular lipstick and the liquid lipstick definitely pull different, and I don't feel like I'm kind of repeating. I also wanted to go ahead and quickly swatch this in comparison to the Dose of Colors times Desi and Katie liquid lipstick. I can't remember if this was like called Fire or what, because the sticker fell off the bottom, but they had a really beautiful bright orange in their first collection, so I swatched them next to one another. This was the Desi and Katie one, and this is the Nyma Tang shade, so definitely not the same. Okay, so now for the nude set, I'm going to start off with the lipstick in the shade Penny. Try this alone first. So I do like the color of that one, but I think that it's being a little bit thrown off by just like how red my lip line is right now from the previous shades that we tried. I think it looks pretty. It's definitely an interesting color. It kind of messed up my lip line right there. I will try and use it in a future video very soon so that you can see what it looks like when my lips are not stained red, but I think it's pretty. All right, now going into the Aegean Glass. So pigmented. I slightly feel like my stained lips are ruining things. I think this would look really good with a lip liner underneath just to give it a little bit of a base. Super, super creamy, very comfortable gloss. All right, now doing the chocolate chip lip liner. I feel like I'm doing a horrible job, but I'm just lining my lips and then I'm gonna slightly bring it in a little bit. Okay, let's not think about how uneven that is, but I'm gonna go ahead and go over that with the Penny lipstick just so we can kind of see what it looks like together, and hopefully not with so much red on the outside. I mean, you can still see some, but just giving it another shot. Okay, so there's what the lip liner and the lipstick look like together. I definitely like that combo. Should we do the gloss on top of that while we're here? Just trying to try as many combos as possible. This is like the longest lip try on video ever. Let's see. That's really pretty all together, those three products. Feeling it. All right, now we're doing the Like to See It liquid lipstick, which is probably the shade that I was the most excited about. So I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but for some reason my lower lip is looking a little bit patchy compared to my upper lip, so I'm going to go in to a second layer just so it's nice and opaque. Okay, so here's what it looks like completely dried down. I feel like it is such a fun baddie color. Like, I love it just as much as I thought that I was going to. So one last little thing to do, I wanted to also go ahead and try the liquid lipstick with the gloss on top because I thought that would be really pretty. Just go ahead and put that on the center. I feel so glam right now and I have nowhere to go. Nowhere. No plans. All right, so those are all the products in both sets, and honestly, I'm really happy with my purchase. I love Dose of Colors formula. I already knew that. I love Nyma, so excited for her. And I just feel like the Coral Lip Set, like I'm a little bit shook. I love every single product in there so much. I'm so glad that I did decide to go ahead and pick it up. From the Nude Lip Set, I think that my favorites would definitely be the gloss and the liquid lipstick. I feel like these make it completely worth it. I honestly feel like no matter what your skin tone is, both of these lip sets are absolutely stunning. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to know if you bought one of these or if you're planning to buy one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.